everyone! Looking to elevate your style without breaking the bank? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret to save big on Allyn handbags. That's right, with Allyn promo codes, you can snag that perfect bag at a fraction of the cost. But first, let me tell you why Allyn is the brand you need in your life. Their bags? Simply fabulous. We're talking modern classic designs that are perfect for everyday use. Need to go from a busy workday to a night out with friends? Allyn's got you covered with their versatile, stylish pieces. Picture this. You're rushing out the door for work in the morning. You grab your Allyn bag, and voila, it instantly elevates your outfit. Whether you're rocking a power suit or casual chic, these bags add that perfect touch of sophistication. And guess what? They even come with interchangeable straps, so you can mix and match to your heart's content. Now let's talk savings. Click the link in the description below to get your special Allyn discount code. Yes, you heard that right. Who doesn't love a good deal? With these promo codes, you can enjoy significant savings on your favorite styles. Imagine all the other things you can do with the money you save. Treat yourself to a nice dinner, buy those shoes you've been eyeing, or maybe even start saving for your next vacation. The possibilities are endless. And don't just take my word for it. Head over to Allyn's website and check out their collection. The reviews speak for themselves. With a 5.0 rating from over 400 reviews, it's clear that customers love their Allyn bags. Oh, and did I mention that Allyn offers free shipping on all bag orders? Because they do. Plus, if you're a new email subscriber, you get an extra $10 off. Talk about a win-win situation. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to grab your Allyn discount code and start shopping. It's time to treat yourself to a handbag that not only looks amazing, but also makes you feel confident and empowered. Remember, these deals won't last forever, so don't miss out. Happy shopping, and may your style be as fabulous as your new Allyn bag. That's it for today, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more awesome deals and style tips. Catch you in the next video. Bye!